Goa. One of the famous beach is Calangute beach, and one of the famous food is Agbada food, and one of the famous and a beautiful and a clean village is Calangute village. Today I am at Kandulim with Walk the Talk with Michael Lobo, the MLA of Calangute constituency. Giving full support, full trust, we can see tremendous change is done in Calangute constituency, Kandulim area and the other areas. We can see footpath till the rest of the development. He wants to make garbage free this area. Welcome sir to our program Walk the Talk. So can you tell me this beautiful picture that is recently and was inaugurated here? Can you tell me what is the secret behind this picture?
We are trying to make Kandulim village as a model village in Goa. So, as far as tourism villages are concerned. And when we talk about model village, it is a self-sufficient and having all the infrastructure, may it be electricity, may it be footpaths, proper drainages, and as far as cleanliness, totally clean. So we are working on a model for this village, and the model is we do the work ourselves. We do not depend on the government. We require government support as far as hot mixing of roads are concerned, as far as drainages are concerned. But other things like you can see this beautification which is being done is done by public participation. People of Kandulim have got together, contributed money. Some of the hoteliers over here have contributed money. And they have put up these lovely murals which are behind me, bench. Now this picture which is here, this picture is of our great leader of Goa and the ex-MLA of Calangute constituency, Shri Thomasin Kardo, was the Speaker of the Legislative Assembly. Not only as a political leader, we have showcased him. He has contributed towards theatre, towards Mando, keeping our culture alive, keeping our tradition alive. And along with him is Alex, the Kandulim and young ministers. These are the people of Kandulim who have contributed something for the village, something for the state of Goa, something for India. Their name was on top once upon a time in as far as theatre is concerned, one act play, writing all the songs, singing songs. ही आमची आदली कातारां जी आहा म्हाका दिसता जो तर तियात्राच्या माचयेर जो तर फामाद जाले जाल्यार हे फामाद जाले आनी तोमाजीन आयज पासून स्पेशली तियात्र मांडे आनी रोमी कोंकणी ही फुडें व्हरपाक तो भरपूर वावुरता. साश्टी, मडगांव, बाकीचे फोंड्या सगळे तालुकांनी तो भोंवता, आख्खे गोंयान भोंवता आनी तेका तेचे ओन विलेजीन म्हाका दिसता आमी तेच्या लोकांनी म्हणजे तेजे गांवचे हिंगा थोडे लोक आहा ते म्हाजेशीं येयले, म्हाका सांगले की बाब तोमासिना खातीर आमी कितें तरी करपाक जाय. हांवें म्हटलें तो येदो व्हडलो आर्टिस्ट आदलो स्पिकरूय जावन गेलो, आमी कितें तरी करयाच. म्हाज्या मनान येयलें की एक बरो म्युरल घालया, लोकांक दाखोवया की बाबा ह्या मनशाचें कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन फॉर कोंकणी, फॉर द लव ऑफ गोवा, फॉर थियात्र, फॉर म्युजीक, लोकांक एंटरटेन करपी हो मल्टी-फेसीड पर्सनॅलिटी, मल्टी टॅलंटेड पर्सनॅलिटी असले खूब कमी लोक आहा. सो ह्या मनशाचे आमी पिक्चर घालूंकूच जाय. हे बाब आलेसीजी कांदोली आनी यंग मिनेजांनी खूब कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन केल्लें आहा ह्या विलेजी खातीर, गोंया खातीर, तियात्रा खातीर. हिंका आमी शोकेस केल्ले आहा आनी अशेंच आमी कान्होयेचे आनीक दुसरे आर्टिस्ट आहा कोण बरें भजन गावपी कोणे नाटकांनी पाठ केला कोणे आनी ह्या विलेजी खातीर कितें बरें सोशल वर्क केला नुस्तेकार जे बऱ्यांनीच आदल्या टायमा वयरसून जे
ट्रेडिशन कोणें
सांबाळला आमचो कल्चर फुडें व्हरपाक कोण वावुरता दो कांदोलीम इज हॅड चेंज बट आमी तेजो लूक आदी कसो आसलो तो दाखोवपाचो प्रयत्न करता हे स्टॅच्यू हेच न्हू आमी खूब स्टॅच्यूय घालपाचे आहा सिमेंटाचे म्हणजे डिपिक्टींग वॉट वॉज कांदोलीम दोज इयर्स फिशरमॅन ट्रायब शेतकामती आमचे आनी what was this village famous for?
That means this village has got lot of famous people.
Yeah, famous people, history. तूं आतां पळोवंक वयशाले आमचो फोर्ट आग्वादा थिंगा सेंट लॉरेन्स चर्च आहा थिंगा आग्वादा इज थिंगासर आदी बोटी येताल्यो उदकूच व्हरोंक आग्वा इज वॉटर पोर्चुगीज थिंगासर आदी व्हडलो टँक आहलो फोर्ट आग्वादाचे वयर टँक आहलो ते टँकान उदक भरून दवरताले आनी थिंगासून उदक बोटींग सप्लाय जातालें थिंगासून एक चॅनल आहलें ते चॅनलांतून उदक वचप आनी ते बोटींग दिवप बोटी थिंगा येवप आदी सो हे सगळे वस्तू म्हाका दिसता आमी डिपिक्ट करपाक जाय आमी लोकांक सांगपाक जाय आमी लोकांक दाखोवपाक जाय आयज तर ते वस्तू आहा थिंगा कांय रायट अप ना आमी रायट अप बरोवन दिवपाक जाय वॉट हो फोर्ट कोणाचो कसो कोणें बांदलो सेंट लॉरेन्स चर्च केन्ना बांदलेली कशी आहा हिंगा सगळे लोकांचो कल्चर कितें आमचो फिशरमॅन ट्रायब वयर रावताले ते आतां स्लोली तेणी वेवसाय चेंज केला पूण थोडे अजुनी फिशरमॅन आहा ते फिशरमॅन आहात तेणी धंदो बंद करूंक ना
कांदोलीम पळयत जाल्यार जायते डेव्हलपमेंट केला आतां आमी फुडें पळयतले पूण लोकांचो बरोच सपोर्ट आसा कसो दिसता
लोक म्हाजेशी खूब जाण येयलो सांगपाक म्हाका कांदोली विलेजीन तुवें अजुनी डेव्हलपमेंट स्टार्ट करूंक ना हांवें म्हणलें कांदोली विलेजीन जे आसा डेव्हलपमेंट स्टार्ट करतले तुमी म्हटलें म्हाका भिरांत दिसता की तुमी म्हाका धांवडीत म्हणत म्हणजे इतले डेव्हलपमेंट जातले तुमी वाजयतले म्हणलें कॉपरेट करपाक म्हाजे कडेन पूण हांव खऱ्यांनीच तोखणाय करता ह्या लोकांची की एक 4-5 लोकांनी म्हाका विरोध केलो डेव्हलपमेंट करपाक जाना पूण 95% people supported my development. They knew that I will do something good for them. हे डेव्हलपमेंट जेन्ना आमी 1.5 किलोमीटर nearly 2 kilometers केला ह्या डेव्हलपमेंटाक सगळ्या लोकांनी म्हाका आदार केल्लो आनी डेव्हलपमेंट करतना एकूय रेस्टॉरंट हांवें बंद करूंक ना एकूय शॉप कोणाचें मोडूंक ना एकूय कोणाचो धंदो बंद करून डेव्हलपमेंट करूंक ना I have taken all the people in confidence. I have taken even seen that atmosphere is taken. I have beautified their area. आणि लोकांचो आदार घेवन तेंची आदली दुर्गा प्लॅटफॉर्मां जी रोडार बसून हाडून तेकयली ती फाटी गेल्या आतां ही शॉपां पळोवंक वयशाले हिंगा गाडे आहले लाकडाचे आनी लाकडाचे गाडे ते लोक रोडार पास करताले गाडे फुडें बसून आहले रोडार हो मेन रोड हे गाडे मोडून आमी फाटी येयले आनी बरी शॉपां बांदून त्या लोकांक दिली आनी आयज ही गाडे 5 मीटर आहले रूल ते आमी 3 मीटर केले आनी ब्रेथ मातशी वाडयली सो पीपल आर हॅपी लॉट ऑफ पीपल हॅव सॅक्रिफायस देयर लँड हांव तांकां देव बरें करूंक म्हणटा कित्याक लँड जी सॅक्रिफायस केल्या थिंगा आमी 2 व्हिलर पार्किंग लॉट केल्ले आहा 4 व्हिलर पार्किंग लॉट केल्ले आहा आमी मोटरसायकल स्टँड्स केल्ले म्हणजे वेर ओन्ली टू दीस टुरिस्ट मोटरसायकल्स कॅन स्टॉप सो ऑल दीस थिंग्स वी हॅव डन वी हॅव टेकन एटमॉस्फियर वी हॅव पुट अप झेब्रा क्रॉसिंग वी हॅव पुट अप बोर्ड्स we have put up signages and in that we have also seen that beautification is taken place like there are murals being put up pots being put up religious tiles being put up we we have given it a Goan touch, so that people, the tourists, when they come, they know that they are come to a very famous village, Kandolim, which is a tourist destination. Yet it has got this touch, the Goan touch. Modern Dala village, but yet it has got a Goan touch.
Okay, we are now going to move on the field and see what are the development that are done, what are the changes that are done, and to do this, how the people have supported. Now we are going to see on the street. So once again we are now on the Kandolim footpath that is beautified recently. As we have seen the first part picture that was put, now we are going to know about this Abe Faria, that is the statue that is installed. So tell us what is the importance of this Abe Faria?
Abe Faria, Jose Custodio Faria, is the son of the soil of Kandolim. He was born in Kandolim, and his house is still there, which is being given to Providoria by the family of Abad Faria, so that the boys who are homeless, they can stay there, study there as their own home. So government is taking care. Yeah, good cause. So Abe Faria is the person who started hypnotism. He is the pioneer of hypnotism. He is the father of hypnotism. And today hypnotism is being used throughout the world, except India is still not recognized to that level. But there is even a study done by our Director General of Police, Muktesh Chandar, on hypnotism, that he said it can be used to detect crime. Now it is with the government of India to take this study of hypnotism to a different level. It can be used in the university, it can be a subject in the colleges, in the university, and even in the school. So we are also planning that the house which Abad Faria's house can be used as a school for hypnotism.
Okay, now
he is the person, son of the soil, so we have given him respect. The people of Kandolim had a demand that his statue be installed in Kandolim, since he is the son of the soil. A famous hypnotizer where a name has been put up at on the street at France. He died in France, so he should be given respect in India. So
okay,
we have done that.
Yeah, what about now coming to step by step, we are going to see the development that you have done. Now to control the traffic flow, what has been done in Kandolim?
The roads are not increased. Road जे आहा तशेंच दवरल्या आमी. हे सगळे कंपाउंड वॉल पुश केल्या फाटी तांकां पार्किंग केल्या. आदी पार्किंग हे टू व्हीलर रोडार जाताले. आतां रोडार बंद जाला पार्किंग.
What about signposts?
And
blowers?
all over we have put signages like this is a pedestrian crossing. There is a zebra crossing here. People can cross that side. There are this lights being put up on the glow signs on the road, so that tourists drive the two-wheeler and even four-wheeler in such a way that traffic signals and signs are being followed. So we have taken utmost care of tourists who are visiting this village. They should not be inconvenienced. No inconvenience should be done to them. They have ample of parking for two-wheelers, four-wheelers. They have benches to sit. They see a beautiful Kandolim, which all the people were dreaming, but they have a village which was developing in an unplanned manner. So we are trying to do planned development as far as Kandolim village is concerned. The same will be extended to Calangute, same will be extended to Baga, to Shinkirim, Arpara, Nagwa.
Now coming to, as we are walking on this footpath, which was never there, since you were elected and now you have taken initiative to make sure the footpath is done, what is the idea of this?
See, we have put a steel, like a barricading over here. It is meant for water to go inside. There was no drainage earlier and water is to get locked on the road. So now water drains down into the this. We have done a nice picture also over here. The picture depicts the culture of Kandolim village. It shows the togetherness of all the communities and all the religions. We have the church, Kandolim church, and we have the temple, Shantadurga temple, Our Lady of Good Hope church, and the people. We have shown the traditional fisherwoman over here. So these are all the things we have taken care of.
So you want to maintain the culture and the tradition of Kandolim?
Yeah, as it is. Here we have shown the old tiles, Ajilejus tiles on the walls. So people can come and click pictures over here. Okay. So we are trying to
so that means
showcase what is required, because this is the main road where people walk this road on daily basis. Tourists have to walk, the locals have to walk. So आम्ही हे करून दाखवला की हे मेंटेन करपाक जाय. मेंटेन करपाकूय आम्ही लोक घातलेले आहा. बायला क्लीन करता, लोकल बायला हिंगासरली. थोडी जी नेटिव्स ऑफ कर्नाटका गोंयान येवन सेटल जाल्यात ती हिंगासर रावतात. तेणी जॉब हो घेतलेलो आहा क्लीन करपाक. And this is all being paid by local people only from here. Dhaktule restaurant owner, shop owners, hotel owners, they are paying their salaries. So it is again creating an employment that you will not find garbage here. You will not find dirt over here. It is because this area is being maintained. Ata solon येयले आमी हिंगा फुडें तुका parking मेळलो 4-wheeler. So anybody who wants to go in any of this restaurant can park at a 4-wheeler place, parking area, and there is a designated board over there. So you can only park 4-wheelers. So असले आमी planned काम केल्ले आहा हिंगा.
So in previously there was no footpaths, and also now the tourists can move freely.
Move freely. This is the whole idea behind this. And people have given us support. अशें न्हू की आमीच केलां. आमी रोड तेदोच दवरला आनी तेजे सायडीक लोकांची कंपाउंडां आमी मोडून फाटी बांदून दिल्या तेंकां. The whole concept is that we have given the people built up area back again, and that also little behind, so that they have a protection for their property, and also outside that there is a parking for 2-wheeler or 4-wheeler. So now everybody is happy. Earlier it was in their mind that we are trying to expand the road, but we have told them that आमी अनेक रोड नेवो व्हडलो करता. शिकेरीम टील बागा हेच्या फाटल्यान ही सगळी प्रॉपर्टीज काबार जाले काय तेच्या फाटल्यान म्हणजे नेरूल ब्रिज काढून हे सायडीन प्रॉपर्टी जे आहा थिंगासून आमी 25 मीटर MDR रोड करता. आणि हो MDR रोड आहा तो आमी येदोच दवरतले. वी विल कीप इट द सेम साइज what is there today, 9 meters.
So now that means the Kandolim of people of Kandolim have to be self-satisfied.
Yeah, we are going to give them whatever is required. जे हे विलेजीक जाय कसलेंच डेव्हलपमेंट आमी तेंकां दितले. पीपल फ्रेंडली डेव्हलपमेंट. हो आतां आमी स्ट्रीट जो 2 किलोमीटर केला, this will continue up to Taj. From Taj till Baga means it will go up to Calangute, Calangute up to Baga. everywhere there will be proper footpath with underground drainage. हिंगा उदक उत्ताले बोरान रोडार आता उरोना आता डायरेक्ट ते ड्रेनेजीन वयता and still they can use the drainage. People are using the drainage to walk, so it is like a blessing for the people as far as water logging in the rains and for the people to walk also. So असले आमी डेव्हलपमेंट प्लॅन केला की लोकांक जाय पळय तहें लोकांक त्रास करून न्हू लोकांक आमी खंयचेच त्रास करूंक ना कोणाची शॉपां मेन रोडार आसली ती पासून आमी सांबाळलेली आहा सो अशें आमी डेव्हलपमेंट प्लॅन केला.
Now with regard to gutters, how much gutters have been built now?
Right now we have done 2 kilometers, but we will do continuously from Shikerim to Baga. गटर जावोच रोडाक मेन रोडाक गटर जो तर ना जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता वॉटर लॉगिंग रोडाचेर जातले आनी जेन्ना वॉटर लॉगिंग रोडार जाता तेन्ना उदक वचपाक आनीक वाट ना तेन्ना गोंयकारांकूच न्हू ट्युरिस्टाकूय त्रास जाता. सो आमी एक व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट जे आहा एक गटर्स करपाक आमी वावरुपाक जाय ऑल ओवर द प्लेस रायट फ्रॉम शिंकेरीम टील बागा कित्याक सगळ्या कडेन उदक उत्ता पावसान. आता हे 2 किलोमिटराक उदक उरना आमी गटर केला म्हणून सो फुडें हो गटर कंटिन्यू जावपाक जाय.
Which are the other footpaths and the drains that are in the pipeline for Kandulim?
Kandulim now right from Akron to Taj Holiday Village आमी आता ड्रेनेज स्टार्ट करतले विथ फुटपाथ आनी जे एक्सपान्शन ऑफ पार्किंग लॉट जे आहा ते मागीर आमी करतले आफ्टर द इलेक्शन्स. सो पीपल हॅव टू ओनली think that I'm not trying to take their land for widening of the road. I'm trying to take their land for their own purpose, for their own business. कोणाचे रेस्टॉरंट आहा तेजे भायर रेस्टॉरंटा भायर पार्किंग आसपाकूच जाय हे आमी मनान आमचे दवरपाक जाय. We have to have it in our mind that we should have our own parking for our own restaurant. We should have our own parking for our own shop. We should have people friendly footpaths. सो आयज हे जे फुटपाथ आमी केल्या हे लोकां खातीरूच केल्ले आहा तेंचे बिजनस वाडपा खातीरूच केल्ले आहा आमचे लोकला खातीर केल्ले आहा. सो आमचे जे डेव्हलपमेंट आहा ते लोकला खातीर आहा आनी इट इज नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ एनी आउटसायडर्स येयल्या वो कितें येयल्या. सो वॉट एवर हुएवर कम्स टू गोवा एज अ ट्युरिस्ट वेदर इट इज इंडियन ऑर फॉरेन ट्युरिस्ट दे आर कमिंग टू गिव अस बिजनस. सो आमी सोजमावपाक जाय की हे बिजनस सस्टेन जावपाक जाय आनी एट द सेम टायम इनकन्विनियन्स कोणाक जावंक पडना. जे कोण हे लोक रोडार गाडयो चलयता तांकां इनकन्विनियन्स जावंक पडना इतलेच आमी मनान धरून हे डेव्हलपमेंट फुडें व्हरपाक जाय.
Now you are doing so much of development. How should I describe yourself as?
No, I feel that people, other MLAs also and sarpanchas, punch members should do good development. And development करता पळय तेन्ना आमी लोकांक मोतीन धरून करपाक जाय की लोकांक कितें जाय पळय तें. डेव्हलपमेंट कॅनॉट बी सेल्फ डेव्हलपमेंट. इट शूड बी पीपल फ्रेंडली डेव्हलपमेंट. इट शूड हेल्प द पीपल ऑफ द विलेज ऑफ द वॉर्ड एंड म्हाका दिसता हें डेव्हलपमेंट आमी फुडें व्हरपाक जाय. लोकांक कितें जाय पळय तें पयलें विचारपाक जाय. आतां पासून मॅनिफेस्टो जो हांव करपाचो आहा म्हाजो इलेक्शनाचो 2017 इलेक्शन असेंब्ली I will ask the people. Every ward will have their own manifesto. Every village will have their own manifesto. So that type of manifesto we will do. Okay. People friendly manifesto.
Now I want to know how should I describe yourself or how should people think who you are?
See, I am a simple person from Parra village who people have had faith on me and I am repaying the faith. It is my job
So you
as
don't
a legislator.
betray the people.
No. It is not a question of betraying. It is my job as a legislator that I have to work for the people because they have elected me. तेणी म्हाका इलेक्ट करूंक ना की तेंची घरा बसपाक हो काम करपाक न्हू म्हणजे 5 वर्सां खंय तरी धुकलपाचें आनी परत बसपाचो तशें ना. लोकांनी म्हाका वोट करून हाडला सो दॅट तेंची कामां जी इतली वर्सांची पेंडींग आहा ती कामां करपाक. सो हें काम फुडें वतना म्हाका दिसता ही सगळीं कामां जी आमी प्लॅन केल्या म्हाज्या मनान आहा लोकांच्या मनान आहा लोकांनी म्हाका कितें सांगलां ती कामां करपा खातीर आमी फुडें येल्ले आहाय.
Okay, now coming to you, what are the other development that you want to beautify in Kandolim?
ब्युटिफिकेशन काम चालूच आसतलें पूण कांदोलीम विलेजीक आनी खूब वस्तू आहा लायक पॅरल रोड जो करपाचो आहा तो करपाक जाय. तेजे उपरांत आनीक कितें डेव्हलपमेंट आहा स्पेशली इंटरनल रोड्स गोईंग टू द बीच. ह्या सगळे बीच रोडाक आमी डस्टबीन घालपाचें आहा. बीच फुडें म्हाजो नेक्स्ट टर्माक म्हाजो हें आहा की बीच क्लीन आसचो. आतां सद्याक बीच क्लीन ना, सो पीपल आर नॉट हॅपी एज फार एज द बीच इज कन्सर्न. बीच हॅज टू बी स्पॉटलेस क्लीन. सो ह्या खातीर म्हाजो प्रयत्न आसतलो. आमचो सरकार परतून येतलोच आनी जेन्ना आमचो सरकार येतलो आय वील गिव अ प्लॅन, अ मास्टर प्लॅन ऑफ द बीच टू द गव्हर्मेंट. प्रेझेंट करतलो हांव. प्रेझेंटेशन हांव दितलो की हाव वी कॅन कीप दीस बीच क्लीन. आतां हो आमी 2 किलोमिटर स्ट्रेच कसो एवरीडे क्लीन दवरता तसो तो बीच आमी क्लीन करपाक जाय. सो ह्या खातीर आमी वी वील वर्क इन सच अ वे दॅट देर इज नो पेपर, नॉट इवन अ सिगरेट बार्ड ऑन द बीच. अशें आमी करपाक फुडें आमचो प्लॅन आसा.
Now, who are the people involved in all this development?
लोकल पीपल आर इनवॉल्ड. लोकल हिंगासरलेच लोक, हिंगासरलो पंच मेंबर, हिंगासरले स्थानिक सरपंच, ऑल द मेंबर्स ऑफ द पंचायत, डेप्युटी सरपंच आनी लोक म्हणजे सगळे शॉप ओनर म्हाका कोऑपरेट करता. हे सगळे बिजनसमॅन म्हाका कोऑपरेट करता. हे सगळे जे लोक आयज क्लिनींग करता ते पयशे हेच लोक फारीक करता तांकां. हांव कांय करिना, हांव कोणा कडले पयशे एकठांय करिना. हांव सांगता एक रेस्टॉरंट ओनराक तूं तेंचे पयशे फारीक कर. सो अशें हो डेव्हलपमेंट फुडें वयता. दीस इज पीपल ओरिएंटेड डेव्हलपमेंट, नॉट हांव खंयचे पयशे हाडून फारीक करप तशें न्हय. हे सगळे जे आहा हे लोकांनीच केल्लें आहा आनी हे लोकां खातीरूच काम आमी फुडें व्हेल्लें आहा. बस स्टॉप वीथ बस बे आमी करपाचें आहा. एक कांदोलीम टिंटो, आनीक आहा इन फ्रंट ऑफ हेल्थ सेंटर आनी आनीक आहा नियर शांतादुर्गा पार्क. तुमी मुद्दम वचून पळोवचो आनी लोकांकूय दाखोवचें की बस स्टॉप नॅचरली बिल्ड करून म्हणजे वयर नोये बीन घालून आमी बस स्टॉप केल्लो. असले बस स्टॉप आख्खे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन करपा खातीर हांव वावुरतलों.